Hello, and welcome back to another English conversation. Today, we have a special episode, a warm, soft, slow conversation about Christmas and New Year. So relax, breathe, and practice with us.
Well, the key is to add kidney beans or black beans. That's a great source of protein, and they have really good texture that works well in chili.
Hi, everyone. I'm happy to be here again. And yes, Christmas and New Year, big moments, emotional moments, and great chances to practice simple English.
So, Jay, let's start easy. Tell me, do you like Christmas?
Yes, I do. I really like Christmas. It feels warm, peaceful, and cozy.
Good. And what do you usually do on Christmas?
Well, I usually stay with my family. We eat dinner together. We talk. We laugh. Sometimes we watch Christmas movies.
Nice! And what do you eat for Christmas dinner?
We usually eat chicken, rice, salad, and sometimes desserts. Simple food, but good food.
Great vocabulary. Let's repeat. We usually eat chicken. We usually eat rice. We usually eat salad.
We usually eat chicken. We usually eat rice. We usually eat salad.
Now tell me, do you exchange gifts?
Sometimes. Not every year, but sometimes we do.
And what kind of gifts do you like?
I like simple gifts. A book. A t-shirt. Maybe a small box of chocolate.
Good. Now repeat after me. I like simple gifts. I like books, t-shirts, and chocolate.
I like simple gifts. I like books, t-shirts, and chocolate.
Perfect.
Jay, what about you? What do you like for Christmas?
I like peace. I like rest. I like spending time with people I love.
So your favorite gift is time.
Exactly. Time is the best gift.
Do you decorate your house for Christmas?
A little bit. Nothing big. But I put lights, a small tree, and maybe some ornaments.
Good. Let's practice vocabulary. Lights. Tree. Ornaments. Decoration. Repeat slowly.
Lights. Tree. Ornaments. Decoration.
Excellent. And Christmas in some countries is cold. Snow, ice, hot chocolate. But where many of our listeners live, Christmas is hot.
Yes, very hot. Summer Christmas.
So, let's practice. Christmas is hot here. It's summer, not winter.
Christmas is hot here. It's summer, not winter.
How do you feel at Christmas?
I feel calm. I feel happy. Sometimes nostalgic.
Nostalgic?
Yes, because I remember old times, old Christmas, people who are not here anymore.
That's beautiful, Jay. And it's important vocabulary for beginners. Let's repeat. I feel calm. I feel happy. I feel nostalgic.
I feel calm. I feel happy. Sometimes nostalgic.
Now, let's talk about New Year. Do you like New Year celebrations?
Yes, I like New Year a lot. It feels like a fresh start, a new page, a new chapter.
Exactly. And what do you usually do on New Year's Eve?
I usually stay awake until midnight. I watch fireworks. I celebrate with family or friends.
Good. Let's repeat. I stay awake until midnight. I watch fireworks. I celebrate with family. I celebrate with friends.
I stay awake until midnight. I watch fireworks. I celebrate with family. I celebrate with friends.
Now, Jay, the classic question. Do you make New Year resolutions?
Yes, I do. Every year. Even if I fail sometimes.
Same here. What are some common resolutions?
Well, I want to exercise more. I want to study more. I want to save money. I want to travel. I want to learn new skills.
Great list. Let's repeat it slowly. Emily, slow. I want to exercise more. I want to study more. I want to save money. I want to travel. I want to learn new skills.
I want to exercise more. I want to study more. I want to save money. I want to travel. I want to learn new skills.
And do you have any English goals for next year?
Yes, my goal is to speak better, listen better, and feel more confident.
And you will. Step by step, podcast by podcast, practice by practice.
Thank you. Your method helps a lot.
Let's teach the listeners some simple Christmas and New Year phrases. Repeat after me. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Happy Holidays. Best wishes. Have a great year.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Happy Holidays. Best wishes. Have a great year.
Great. Now, full sentences. Merry Christmas to you. Happy New Year to everyone. I wish you peace and joy.
Merry Christmas to you. Happy New Year to everyone. I wish you peace and joy.
And now, as the lights fade, as the year ends, and a new one begins, we leave you with a simple message. You can learn English. You can grow. You can change. And every small practice is a step forward.
Thank you for listening. Thank you for practicing. And thank you for staying with us.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. And see you in the next episode.